Hari Om. First of all, I wanted to congratulate Powai Irandani Group for deciding to celebrate the 90th birthday of Parama Puja Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Swamiji was a great philosopher, a teacher, and he imparted Vedic educations and Vedic knowledge to a large number of humanity by way of conducting Gita Jnana Yajna, Satsang and meditation camps. Swamiji established 3 centers at different parts of India, Harsha Veda Vidya Gurukulam, and imparted Vedic knowledge, and more than thousands of sannyasins have been generated, and those sannyasins are giving the Vedic knowledge and imparting his teachings in the worldwide. I am also blessed as a student of Vedanta by one of his disciples when I was very young, and that allowed me to know that Vedanta is a very most essential aspect for humanity for finding out the ultimate purpose of their life, that is self-realization. This is possible only through an inner journey by way of contemplation and meditation. Under his guidance, we have established a Veda Vidya Gurukulam in the banner of Varya Foundation, a charitable trust at Panvel, near Mumbai. We have educated more than 1,000 children during last 20 years under the educational scheme of Maharishi Sandipani Veda Vidya Gurukulam at Ujjain. We are also having 3 Balamandirams in Kerala, where we are educating more than 300 children, not only the normal school education and also the Vedic knowledge and yoga. One of our center at Anakati, Jnana Seva Kendra, is very nearby to the Swamiji's Harsha Veda Vidya Gurukulam at Anakati near Coimbatore. This helped me to visit the center periodically and also having a very cordial relation with many of the Swamijis of the center. And we are supporting each other in different occasions, especially when they are organizing a world conference at Anakati, where they use our center for accommodations and other ongoing projects. Let's all have a question within oneself. What we have to offer Swamiji as a Guru Dakshina? Our commitment should be to become a beacon light for spreading his teachings to the humanity. Let us organize Gita Jnana Yajna, Satsang, meditation camps, etc., where we can spread the Vedic teachings to a large number of people. Let us ask one question within oneself. What we can offer to our Guru? Swamiji will not be expecting anything from us, but what should be our commitment will be to impart the knowledge and wisdom what he has given to others. We all will unite together and will ensure that Swamiji's teaching will be spread to the humanity and will uphold the values of Indian heritage and spiritual values. Appreciate the magnanimous contributions given by Powai Group, especially on cultural programs like music and dance. We all will unite together to support the noble cause upheld by the Powai Group in their ongoing projects. With a lot of love and total surrender to Swamiji, with pranam.